Across the miles, highways are the arteries of Station, and behind every...
Today, we step inside the birthplace of one of the most powerful road-building machines ever engineered. This is not ordinary construction equipment. This is highway-wide paving in a single pass. Here, precision meets raw power, where thousands of components come together to create one engineering giant.
It begins with steel, refined, shaped, and forged to survive extreme loads, heat, and non-stop operation.
Every cut must be perfect. Even a millimeter of error could compromise a machine this large.
Automated robotics and human expertise work side by side, bonding metal strong enough to carry an entire highway.
Each lift moves tens of tons of steel, where timing and precision mean everything.
Before assembly continues, engineers verify every dimension, because failure is not an option.
From raw steel to a rising giant, this is only the beginning.
Every giant machine begins with its backbone, steel strong enough to endure years of extreme pressure and heat.
Before assembly even starts, every single piece is verified, tested, and digitally tracked.
Computer-controlled cutting systems shape steel with absolute accuracy, preparing parts measured in tons.
These components will soon support engines, hydraulics, electronics, and an entire highway-width screed.
Robotic welders work non-stop, creating joints stronger than the steel itself. At this scale, even millimeters matter. Alignment is checked again and again. Laser-guided systems ensure the frame remains perfectly straight, essential for smooth asphalt paving.
These reinforcements allow the machine to carry extreme loads without flexing.
Dozens of specialists work in perfect coordination, every step planned down to the second. These mounts absorb vibration, protecting both the machine and the operators during non-stop paving. Every bolt is tightened to exact torque values. Too loose or too tight is unacceptable. Before moving forward, the entire structure undergoes continuous inspection.
Advanced testing reveals microscopic flaws invisible to the human eye.
Only after passing strict quality checks does assembly continue.
With its foundation complete, the machine is ready for power.
This frame will soon support tracks, engines, and paving systems weighing tens of tons.
Digital simulations confirmed the frame can survive years of extreme construction conditions.
Protective coatings guard against heat, moisture, and chemical exposure on real-world job sites.
What began as raw steel is now a platform of pure strength.
Next, the heart of the machine, the systems that bring this giant to life. To move a machine of this scale, ordinary engines are not enough.
At the core is a power unit designed for relentless torque, hour after hour, mile after mile.
Installing the engine is a delicate operation, despite its enormous weight.
Perfect alignment ensures smooth power transfer and long-term reliability. Special mounts isolate vibration, protecting both machine and operator. Power must be delivered evenly across tracks, conveyors, and screeds. Hydraulics are the lifeblood of this machine.
Hundreds of gallons of pressurized fluid will soon control every movement.
Each line must withstand extreme pressure, heat, and vibration. Flow control valves regulate power with surgical precision.
Keeping temperatures stable is critical, especially during non-stop paving.
Advanced cooling prevents overheating in extreme summer conditions. High-capacity fuel systems keep the machine running for long shifts.
Even tiny air pockets could reduce performance.
Software and hardware are now brought together.
This is the first heartbeat of the giant.
Exhaust systems reduce noise while meeting strict emission standards.
Stable pressure means controlled power.
The machine now has strength, and endurance.
Next comes the technology that makes this machine truly unmatched.
This is where the machine earns its reputation, the screed system.
When fully deployed, this screed can pave an entire highway in a single pass.
Each plate must remain perfectly flat, even under extreme heat.
Integrated heating systems keep asphalt workable from edge to edge. Modular design allows crews to adjust width for any highway. Hydraulics allow real-time adjustments, down to millimeters. Augers distribute hot asphalt evenly across the full paving width. Powerful motors ensure uninterrupted material flow. From hopper to highway, material never stops moving.
Computer modeling ensures perfect distribution before the machine ever touches a road.
Controlled vibration pre-compacts asphalt for a smoother finish. This single component weighs as much as several trucks combined.
The moment the giant takes its final shape.
Sensors continuously monitor height, slope, and surface quality. Calibration ensures perfect asphalt thickness, lane after lane. Adjustments happen instantly, even while paving. Few machines on Earth can match this width. Surface perfection begins here. Material flow, heat control, and precision, working as one. Next, the intelligence behind the power. Power alone doesn't build perfect highways. Intelligence does. At the core is a digital nervous system designed for harsh construction environments.
Kilometers of wiring connect every sensor, motor, and control.
These sensors constantly read the road, the asphalt, and the machine itself. Satellite positioning allows centimeter-level accuracy over miles of highways. Before paving begins, every system is digitally verified. The operator's cabin is command central. Designed to isolate vibration, keeping the operator focused for long shifts.
From here, one person controls a machine the size of a building.
Real-time data replaces guesswork. Every movement is translated instantly, smooth, precise, controlled. Automated leveling keeps asphalt thickness consistent across the entire width. Maintaining temperature is critical for long-lasting pavement. Thousands of parameters are checked before approval. Safety systems ensure control, even in unexpected situations.
Night paving demands perfect visibility.
This is where human experience meets machine intelligence.
Even before reaching the road, operators train digitally.
The giant is now intelligent.
Next, final assembly checks and real-world testing. With major systems complete, final details bring the machine together.
Every panel protects vital systems from heat, debris, and impact.
Protective coatings ensure long service life in extreme environments.
Even fractions of a millimeter matter.
Every electrical circuit is tested twice.
Hydraulic systems are pushed beyond operating limits.
The defining feature is tested one final time.
Safety systems must respond instantly.
This is the last test before leaving the factory.
Only when every box is checked does approval come.
The machine is ready for the real world.
Months of work, leaving the factory floor.
Moving a giant like this is an operation of its own. Everything is secured for the journey ahead.
Now comes the ultimate test. After months of precision engineering, the real test begins on the open road.
Tons of asphalt are fed continuously without stopping the machine. High-capacity conveyors move material smoothly from hopper to screed. Augers spread asphalt uniformly, lane to lane, edge to edge. This is one-pass highway paving in action. The screed levels, smooths, and pre-compacts the asphalt instantly. Heat keeps asphalt workable. Vibration removes air gaps. What once required several machines now happens in one continuous pass.
One operator controls speed, thickness, width, and temperature.
Sensors and automation correct imperfections instantly. The result? Smooth, durable pavement built at record speed.
Quality is verified immediately before traffic ever returns.
From steel and software to real-world impact. This is what extreme engineering looks like. The largest asphalt paving machine on Earth, built to shape the roads of tomorrow.